Hello you two, and welcome to today's maths lesson where we are looking at making 2D and 3D shapes. To begin with, we're going to look at these true or false statements. So I'm going to read out the statement and I would like you to tell me whether it is true or false. So the first one, you can pick up some 3D shapes. Can you pick up 3D shapes, yes or no? True or false? For today's warm-up, we have got some true or false statements. So I will read the statement out. You need to tell me whether it's true or false. So the first statement is, you can pick some 3D shapes up. True or false? Can I pick up a 3D shape? That's right, it is true. I can pick up a 3D shape. For example, my cylinder glue stick. I can pick it up and hold it. Second statement, you can pick some 2D shapes up. True or false? Can I pick up a 2D shape? Nope, that is false. I cannot pick up a 2D shape. If I can pick up a shape, it must be 3D. Third statement, all 3D shapes are bigger than 2D shapes. True or false? All 3D shapes are bigger than 2D shapes. That's right, it's false. We could get 3D shapes that are smaller than 2D shapes. And the fourth statement, some 2D shapes can be made through printing with the faces of 3D shapes. So for example, if I painted the end of my cylinder and put it onto a piece of paper, could I make a 2D shape? True or false? That's right, it's true. If I was to do that, paint the end, put it down on a piece of paper, that would give me a 2D circle. So let's begin. We've got a box here. Now this is a cuboid shape, not a cube because we haven't got all squares, but we haven't got any circles or triangles. So it is a cuboid. So we're going to unfold the cuboid and count up the faces it's got. So that's 1 face, 2 face, 3 faces, 4 faces, 5 faces, and 6 faces. This here is what we would call a net of a 3D shape. So this was our 3D shape, but folded out into a flat shape gives us a net. So if we were to cut this out and then fold it where we've got all those lines, we could make our own little box. So here we go. This is a net of a cuboid, so a cuboid net. Now in the assignment where you found the link to this video, there's lots of different nets that you could print out and cut around and fold. Now on most of them, where it's got the black lines, so these black lines here, you need to cut them. Where it's got the dotted lines, so with gaps in between, you need to fold it. Make sure you don't cut any of those lines that have the dotted lines in it. So have a go at that, and or maybe you could have a go at home using some marshmallows or straws or spaghetti, or you could use blue tack and pencils. Have a go at making your own 3D shapes. Or could you try investigating making 2D shapes and combining them to make 3D shapes? So you could do this using the nets that we've attached, or maybe you could cut out some squares, lots of squares, see if you can attach them together to make a cube. It's up to you. This is your investigation to do. We would love to see pictures of what you get up to, and maybe you could have a go at some of those nets as well. Okay, good luck everyone.